What's up, guys? We just went and got ourselves a drone. This is the DJI Mavic Mini, a super tiny little mini drone. We've got a road trip coming up. Well, I guess as soon as the pandemic lockdown closes down. We were meant to leave about now, or sort of mid-April. So we've kind of been stuck here in Adelaide ever since. It gives me a little bit more time to get used to using this little new toy of ours. This morning we took our first flight. It was really fun. This is the first day we've had sort of good conditions to fly. It's been stormy, especially windy and rainy all week. So no wind this morning when I was up at 7:30. So down to the beach we went. I'll show you guys the clip shortly. Just a couple of things that I wanted to, I guess, point out. Some observations from the first flight. A few minutes in, I've switched the drone's mode to sport, which is meant to sort of increase your speed and maneuverability. The drone's gimbal jumped down, angled itself downward for some weird reason when I made that switch. I'm not sure if that's something that's meant to happen or if it's a bug. If anyone knows more about that, perhaps jump in the comments. Let us know what we can do to avoid that next time. You'll notice at the end of the clip, the drone just sort of flying over the water and just kind of stops. What's happened here is the drone sensed the no-fly zone. Adelaide Airport flight path is right there, just over Henley Beach, and so yeah, the drone's sensed that, which is pretty cool. All right, well, let's get into the clip. I've left all this footage unedited. I haven't done any post-production, no cuts, no color treatment, just so you can all get a sort of feel for the quality of the camera, which looks pretty good. Anyway, check it out. Let us know what you think. Have an awesome day.
you.